para dito sa Lasal das Marinas. And I guess, not to take anything away from UST, pero mukhang nag-relax din kasi ng konti eh.
Right.
And Lasal das Marinas, on the other hand, gustong bumawi. They had a very good start dito sa set number 3. And in fact, sa una pa lang, lumalamang na eh. And they were able to maintain it, and they took advantage of the fact that UST has also been committing their share of errors.
Yun na nga, pati yung service nila biglang hindi naging consistent.
Yes.
Especially sa dulo. Isipin mo, EJ Laure had a chance to get to set point first, pero nawala yung kanyang serve. And now in the fourth set, alam mo, kaganda sa sports, Ivy, you always have to have a very short memory.
Oh yes, yung kalimutan mo na yung mga nangyari na, lalo na pag kayo hindi maganda,
right.
Ako, dapat kinakalimutan na agad yun.
Power tip, Cherry Rose Nunag. First point once again, like in the third set, belongs to Lasal das Marinas. Kanina hindi mo mapangiti yan kahit na ano sabihin mo sa kanya. Yonko. They send it to EJ out of position, but since EJ is very talented, napagabang niya sa neck.
Nakayakap pa doon sa poste na.
Yun lang nga. Kala siguro dati malasakit, tumba tayo dito, tumba tayo. And the PLDT Homoltera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly, internet for as low as 999 pesos. Basilin Delfin. Cabanos. Tunay. Dug up there by Galicia. And Tunay puts it away. Tignan natin ulit yan. That was an ultra-fast flight brought to us by PLDT Homoltera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Mela Tunay getting it done.
It's now Alex Cabanos at the service line.
So Cabanos into the face of Bartolazo.
Today is not the day for the liberos of the Lasal das Marinas.
Right. Well, kanina gusto ipasok sana ulit si Amutan eh.
I mean, both are struggling. And hindi pa nila nakukuhang makabawi eh.
And Cabanos has been serving well. That's, I believe, her third service ace already in this match. Nunag against 2. And she is very tall, so
one
watch
thing
out.
also that makes it a little bit difficult din para blakin to si Nunag. Kasi may iba yung angulo ng katawan niya pag pumapalo siya. It's not the normal eh. Pero medyo nakagilid na nakahiga ng konti eh.
But Giselle C sends that one long. So, balik ang kalamangan ng 2 puntos para sa UST. Jessie. Good serve by De Leon. C. Nunag again. Nagulat na si Cabanos but keeps it alive. EJ. Here's Delfin. Off the block. Cabanos now sending it to Lastimosa. Hindi nakabuelo and Nunag lets it go in.
Well, Nunag realized na dapat hindi na niya tinalon. But then, last minute nagbago yung isip niya, nakatalon na siya.
Nauna lutnag sa talon. By Cherry Rose Nunag. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Jessie once again. Giselle C. Nunag. Nasa wings na. Cabanos. Tunay. Lusot. Pero binuhay naman ni Bartolazo at saka ni Yonko. C. gives it up. Cabanos too near. Nunag. And here is Meneses. Net violation. Ay, sino backliner?
Alex Cabanos is being called in for the violation.
Oo. May backliner daw na umatake. Ay, the illegal block by a backliner. 5-3. Nunag. Lastimosa. C. Dadang. Cabanos now, papunta rito kay EJ Laure. And Laure is dug up. Tumama na daw sa sahig. Ay,
lifting violation called up against Delfin.
Well, Coach Raymond Ramirez really banking on his 16-year-old rookie. Laure on the serve. Long again.
Talagang struggle para kay EJ yung service niya today. So may feeling ako saan siya yung overload ni Coach
Yes.
Kung pagbalik sa ensayo.
Lahat ng
Oh.
zone, diyan ka mag-serve. Basilin Delfin. Tunay. Cabanos. Meneses. Meneses halos hindi ginamit in this
Yeah.
game, ha?
And I guess it's one of the luxuries that Coach Kung Fu has. Kasi ang dami nga rin niyang options. And, first half of the game, we saw na pinibigyan niya ng opportunity kasi
Right.
yung kanyang mga rookies eh.
Tunay on the serve with an ace. Nagtinginan na lang that time itong si Dadang at saka si Galicia. And it's 8-4 in favor of UST. Pakinggan natin yung huddle dito ni Raymond Ramirez and Lasal Dasmariñas.
Pasok mo na ng pasukan ha. Yumi, pagkala si Yumi, ulit lang. Abang ka sa 4 ni kasi, baka mag-missing. Hindi ka naman makarenew, mag-ready ka lang sa 4 ha. Wala ka na paraan ha.
Short and sweet yung huddle doon ni Raymond Ramirez and Lasal Dasmariñas ang ating airing sketch mga kaibigan. Of course, today is Saturday. We are coming to you live right now on GMA News TV. Bukas din po live at 12:45 p.m. and Mondays to Thursdays at 1 p.m. right here on GMA News TV. What's up, Mia Kalim?
Alam mo, Noel, during the break, sabi nga nila dun sa huddle nitong UST na nakulangan sila sa diskarte noong third set. Sinabihan nga ni Coach Kung Fu itong si EJ Laro. Parang ayaw mo na sumugal. Of course, he is referring to the hesitation nitong EJ Laro pagdating sa atake. Sabi nga rin ni Coach Villet, madami daw silang errors noong third set. Sabi niya, kailangan daw walang aka-akala dito. Kailangan gustuhin nyo dapat ang lahat ng kailangan nyong gawin. Balik sa inyo.
Again, they are getting ready for the upcoming collegiate season. At importante sa UST, they want to make it to the Final Four and they want to contend for a championship. And with this lineup, ito na yung huling taon ni Mela Tunay, ni Pam Lastimosa, di ba? So,
yes,
they have to get it done. And that will be a violation kontra dito kay, I believe, Ria Meneses.
it's Alex Cabanos who touched the net.
Yung ponytail na naman.
Susunod na magiging requirement, lahat maiksi na dapat ang buhok.
Tingnan mo si Dadang. Walang ka-problema sa mga net violation. Meneses turned back that time by Yumi Yonko. How about that? Baba sa dalawa kabate ng UST. All of a sudden, this has become a very interesting match. Mara Galicia now.
Mukhang gustong gumante ng Lasal Dasmariñas sa nangyari sa kanila with the TIP.
Oo. If you missed that match, mga kaibigan, Lasal Dasmariñas was up 2-0. Kuha na nila sana yung third set pero nakuha ng TIP at the end. Then TIP took the fourth set and took the fifth set. So, hindi na nakabawi doon ang Lasal Dasmariñas.
Although may mga team na ganun din, Noel, yung medyo mabagal talaga magsimula.
Yes.
Yung slow starter.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Meneses, Bartolazo, C. Yonko, over the triple block. Yan ang nagagawa ng athleticism naman ito si
And
Yumi.
yung off-speed hits ni Yumi Yonko has been working para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. She's actually scored a couple of points already sa mga off-speed na yun eh.
9-7 UST. Of course, Yumi, one of the 3 Yonko sisters that play volleyball. We've all seen Iya in action. Ngayon, nasa military service na si Iya with the Philippine Air Force. And of course, kanilang isang pagkapatid, si Iona,
yes,
is playing for Emilio Aguinaldo College. Let's take a look at this ultra-fast spike from Pam Lastimosa, brought to us at PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. 10-7 UST. Pam on the serve. Bartolazo could not contain it. And the liberos of Lasal Dasmariñas continue to struggle. (11-7) now. Captain Pam. Even Mara Galicia cannot contain the Lastimosa serve.
a lot of force being given by the services itong sa UST.
Nawala na ang ngiti ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Time out, Raymond Ramirez.
Magawa na kayo. Pati ikaw sa EQ. Yun ang trabaho mo dyan eh. Kung yung pala yun yung score, bisin mo na kayo.
Nakita mo yung ginawa ni Yumi Yonko dun sa timeout na yun. Ako nang bala, coach. Yun lang sinabi
Oh,
niya.
yun ang ano. Yun ang
Atras
talagang
na si Coach Raymond. As the captain, talagang siya ako na lahat. At tandaan din natin, as we take a look at Lastimosa once again with those two power serves earlier. That one to Bartolaso and of course this one, papunta naman kay Mara Galicia. Itong si Yumi Yonko was a former libero.
Yes. Actually, probably most or everyone in the B-League is more familiar with her as, a libero
Right.
than an attacker eh.
And now the veteran Maribeth Lara back in the game. Nunag, power tip.
Yan,
Paangat
scores
pa lang ang
one
depensa,
for
yeah.
Lasal.
At nabasa na ni Nunag, umaangat silang tatlo sabay-sabay. Kung unahan ko kaya to, sa haba kong to.
Kala nyo, ha?
12-8 UST. Here's the captain, Yonko, into the net. 13-8. UST up by 5. Alex Cabanos, hindi na talaga hinila rito ni Coach Kung Fu, ano? Ako na magtapos yan. PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. But a service error, a rare one from Alex Cabanos.
Well, I think Coach Kung Fu will forgive that one naman. Kasi ang dami naman niya nakuha service
Nakatatlong ace na siya ngayon eh.
Huwag lang mauulit na, ha?
Giselle, good serve. Cabanos. Tunay. Again in between two defenders.
That has been a problem also for Lasal Dasmariñas. Yung mga lugar or those spots in between two players, parang hindi pa yata nila na pag-uusapan kung sino dapat
Right.
kukuha eh.
Here's Jessie De Leon. 5 ang abante rito ng Tigresses. Bartolaso, late reaction again. Parang nagugulat sila sa mga likunang
Yeah.
serve ng UST.
But they're having difficulty sa mga floater na services eh. Yung biglang bababa,
Right.
hindi nila na-anticipate or hindi nababasa agad.
Celia Amutan is back in the game ngayon as the libero naman para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Yonko, C. Nunag just gets that one across. Laure, Amutan, Yonko, Delfin. Cabanos, inangat ngayon para kay Carmela Lu. UST now up by 7 points, 16-9. And more problems now for the Lady Patriots. Pakinggan ulit natin si Raymond Ramirez.
Bumababilang tayo, 1, 2, 3, bago tayo tumalon. Hindi, mabawala nga tayo, timing na natin sa block. Sa floor na yun, sa muna tayo receive. Malayo mo yan, receive na tayo, receive na,
Well, once again, ladies and gentlemen, ating international schedule sa GMA News TV. Go to www.gmanetwork.com/international/program guide. So dito po sa ating fourth set, so far so good for UST. 16-9 once again. Thank you for joining us live po dito sa GMA News TV as we take a look one more time dito sa atake na ginawa ni Carmela Tunay. Kanina in between two defenders at this time ginawa niya gymnast si Iya Yonko. As rather si Yumi Yonko. Pero hindi mataas ang score nun. Sa floor exercise.
Mababa mo ko.
16-9. So now, you can see the front line. It is full para si UST with Laure Tunay and Meneses, served by De Leon.
And I'm sure Coach Kung Fu would really want to seal this off already. Huwag na natin patagalin.
Uy, hindi nagkaintindihan si Amutan at si Lara that time. At muntik nang masahod ni Amutan ito si Maribeth Lara, but Lara does score and Lara's holding on to her back. If free ball na sana ni Amutan yun. So 16-10 UST. Nunag, another service error. Wala na naman yung ngiti niya. Dizon will return. Ito, second chance mo na ito, sabi ni Coach Kungfu.
Siguraduhin mo.
Galingan mo na, ha? Because as the official ball of the Shakey's Free League. So, Mildred Thea Dizon. Amutan with the reception. C. Gitna, Delfin. Cabanos, hinabol. And Lastimosa could not get it across. But I love the run. Ito si Cabanos. Nagmukha siyang ballet dancer talaga doon. Sa kanyang pag-setup doon.
Still a comfortable lead here for UST. They're up by 6, 17 to 11.
Now, si Basilin Delfin. Pinagsabay na si Lara at saka si Delfin in the game. So, sino bang utility? Si Lara na utility. Here is Tunay finding the line. Chloe Cortez comes in. Kasama niya rito. Ito si Alaysa Chope. Naman, nagkapalit-palit na naman ang numero. Hindi na pwede. Wala na.
Natatawa natin first referee.
Ang gulo ng sabyo. Finally, they get it right. And Liberato Benito is telling the table, ano magagawin natin? Apat lang kayo nagpapalitan. Parang kanya-kanyang paddle na dala. Jope on the serve. Giselle C. too near the net. Ay! Chloe Cortez could not convert. So 14 to 12. PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Cortez gets it across. Oh! You do not do that in front of one of the best blockers in the country. Si Ria Meneses able to swart. Ito si Desiree Dadang. At alam naman niya ni Dadang. Ilang beses sila naglaban sa UAP. Meneses. Si Yongko. Kabila ngayon, Chloe. Nice dig there by Amutan. Lara. Jope. Wala sa pwesto si Jessie.
Miscommunication there. Ano bang play?
And Bartolaso will return. And Bartolaso is not yet supposed to be in. Kasi magsaserve pa si Shishi.
Excited.
Excited din. Jope.
Miscommunication once again sa kanilang play.
Ang ganda ng bawi ni Giselle. Jope has to get it across. Si Iyumi. Habol si Jessie. Lastimosa off the net. Good. Sabi ni Iyumi, nakakapago. She's trying to get everything right now. Timeout called by Las Aldas Marinas. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Down by 7.
Hindi pa naman natatapos na laro sa 20. Okay? 5 pa yan. Daan-daanin natin ate, huwag natin mamadali. Huwag natin mamadali. Receive muna ulit tayo ha. Nandalo ulit natin, receive para hintay tayo.
Hindi lang guys, karawat din sa lang.
Nandang dyan sa block. Timing na tayo sa block mga ate. Timing na tayo sa block ha. Go.
And you can hear Coach Raymond Ramirez changing his tone already. Now more of a relax naman tayo. More of a comforting tone ngayon. Hindi katulad kanina, sense of urgency. You can see Pam Lastimosa.
You know, yung mga angulo na tulad ng last hit ni Pam Lastimosa has been working, for UST. Ang dami yung na-score na points doon sa cross-court na yun.
Yes.
Ang nipis kasi. Lapit sa attack line
Now Pam to serve. Si Hinulog. Andong kahagad si Rasmo. Cortez. Giselle C. Yumi. Drop shot is good.
Like you said, Yumi doing everything here for Las Aldas Marinas.
Pero again, sinabi niya nakakapagod na daw. Let's see if she still has enough energy to try to get Lasal Dasmariñas back in this match. High serve this time. Lastimosa. Yope. Cortez. Cross court misses. It's not every day that the tallest player on the floor for your team is your setter.
Yeah.
Yan ang nangyayari sa UST ngayon. They have a 5'11 setter who's, I believe, about 15 years old. PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. That will be called against Yope. Cabanos returns. Tunay returns. Apat na lang po ang abante ng UST. Captain Yonko once again. Rasmo, Cabanos, combination. Dizon was thwarted that time. Here's Cabanos. Galing likod naman, Lastimosa, Mintis. Tatlo na lang ang abante ng UST. Laure back in for Dizon.
Full force na already here for UST.
Right.
Coach Kung Fu ay nang mag-gamble. Gusto nang maniguro.
This is the veteran lineup. Ito yung UAAP lineup nila.
Yeah.
Yumi Yonko, of course, has 4 championships in a row. Para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. And EJ Laure, instant results. $21-7 USD. 4 na puntos sila kailangan para makuha kanilang unang panalo sa konferensyang ito. Cabanos.
Service
It is
ace.
good. Lara and Bartolaso nagkatinginan na naman. Cabanos with her 4th ace.
Yeah.
Cabanos into the net. 22-18 ang ating score. So now Giselle C, ang lapit na niya sa service line. Cabanos. Tunay! Mela, meron ng mga bagong stare down na ginagawa dito.
And 2 points away na lang ang UST to finally end this match. And finally, makapaglagay na rin ng doon sa winning column.
Ng panalo, no? But, they still need 2 points. Lasal Dasmariñas with a good reception there. Nunag. Laure. Yes!
Makes it to the line.
So EJ now gives them 6 match points. And Jessie De Leon serving for the match. Bartolazo. C. Lara. Cover is there for Delfin. C. Nunag. Ando naman si Lara. C. Nilayo. Cabanos. EJ! And win number 1 for the University of Santo Tomas. Dito po sa ating collegiate conference as Lasal Dasmariñas now slips to a 0-2 hole with 3 matches remaining sa kanilang schedule. Let's take a look at our shaky shake and play once again. EJ Laure, matagal na upo pero nung pinasok, puro pasabog na ang ginawa. So the 17-year-old getting it done for UST sa kanilang unang pagkapanalo rito. Of course, UST still has 3 more matches left in their elimination assignment. Yan po confirmation of the final score. And our very deserving Shakey's player of the game is with Mia Kalim.
Yes, guys, kasama ko dito ating player of the game, Pam Lastimosa, with a total of 18 points, 12 of that coming from attacks. Now, 3rd set. Kala namin lahat mauuwi nyo na to, but what happened there?
Siguro nag-relax kami and hindi na kami nag-usap sa court, kaya medyo hindi na kami nagkaintindihan. So, yun.
And then you guys did a really good job coming back in the 4th set. Ano bang nangyari?
Niremind sa amin ni Coach yung goal namin, which is to win. So, dapat pagtrabahuan namin yun.
You wanna say hi to anybody?
Hi sa family ko sa Cagayan de Oro and sa family ng mga teammates ko. Hello.
Alright, and dahil ikaw ang aming Shakey's best player of the game, we have Shakey's pizza for you. Congratulations, guys. Back to you.
Of course, congratulations naman dito sa kupunan ng UST for nailing their first win dito po sa ating Collegiate Conference of the Shakey's B-League. On behalf of Miyaka Lim and my partner, Miss Cavite, Ivy Remulla, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!